You want to check out this smoothie. It's so quick and fast and easy to make and so delicious. So good. Hi there, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a very delicious and simple caramel apple smoothie, and I'm calling it my collagen infused caramel apple skin smoothie. So the ingredients of this caramel apple skin smoothie is green apples, avocado, vegan caramel sauce, almond milk, apple juice, collagen protein powder, hyaluronic acid, and sea moss gel. If you want to add some extra ice, just have some ice on the side, and this whips up really quick and easy. First, we're going to do some almond milk. Then we're doing a little bit of organic apple juice just to give it that appley, yummy flavor. Then we've got an avocado. Whoa, that goes in. Then we've got the other half of that avocado. Avocado is so good, so high in fiber. We've got tons of green apple. Well, one green apple, but I've cut it up nicely. We've got the collagen protein powder. And if you can't find collagen protein powder, just buy some collagen powder and some vanilla protein powder, and then just go half and half. To help out with the skin, we've got a tablespoon of hyaluronic acid. This is great. It helps with our skin, and there's lots of studies out there, so read up on it. I think it's fantastic. Reduces the signs of aging, helps with joint issues, and reduces inflammation, so hyaluronic acid is your friend. Then we've got sea moss gel. This is also good for joints, bones. It's good for skin. The iodine in it helps produce more collagen, so those are all good things. You just add some ice through the little trap door here. Just to get it really cold. You don't have to. The caramel apple collagen skin smoothie going on. All right. Okay, so we have blended all of our amazing ingredients for happy, beautiful skin into this caramel apple skin smoothie. And the thing is there's really not a lot of caramel in here except in the decoration of the glass, because we're not gonna load up on caramel. We're gonna use a little bit of it. This is my vegan caramel sauce. You can check out the recipe on my YouTube channel or on my website. So good. Before you pour the smoothie into the cup, I recommend you take a little bit of vegan caramel sauce, and you're just gonna decorate the cup. I'm just gonna go carefully around the cup this way. Just do a little swirly swirl. It's not a ton of caramel in there, but it's just a little something to give it that little extra yumminess. All right, so here it goes. So yummy, so pretty. Add a little bit of cinnamon there. Yummy, yummy. You can add some coconut whipped cream to the top if you want. So this is nice. You just go like this, and you can just put it on the end of your cup. So very fun. Okay, this smoothie is incredible. It's loaded with skin goodness. We have an avocado in here, a green apple, collagen powder, protein powder, hyaluronic acid, sea moss gel. All the things that you find in that Hailey Bieber skin smoothie, it's in this one. And this is set up beautiful and amazing for this time of year when apples are in season. Go and check out my vegan caramel sauce recipe. So fast and easy to make. Just add a little bit of that to this and you have a caramel apple skin smoothie. I hope you like, save, share. Remember to leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and remember that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, so good.